Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add the banner on eBay store. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first you will find about like store management here on the seller hub. That means you will already need to have already a store on your eBay. And for this video, we are going to follow these eBay articles from here, and we can learn about all the potential of things that you can use on a store. So basically, for the store, you of course you would have like a store name. You will be able like to start like adding a main image that will be showing, of course, to your page, and also you would find uh, the test logo or your store logo that will be showing like that, and you can have a description. So as you can see, this is like the profile picture. You can have like the main image such as like the banner and stuff. So basically to do all that things, you may be able to do it like for example by going to the store in the seller hub. So simply go to my eBay, and from here you go to selling, and you will need like to find the seller hub here. If you've never like used seller hub, you can just search for it here in your web browser, like just type Etsy seller hub and then it will take you to it. Now let's simply go to the store, and by going to store you will be able to find manage store. So first you will need already to use a subscription so you can be able to start creating stores here on eBay. So simply you'd go to the store tab on the seller hub as we did, and then you'd find like an edit store on the corner. By clicking on it, you would be able either to change like create a marketing banner as shown here, and you can upload your image, or you can simply have some main image as we find here. So you can simply, as you can see, find something like this icon, and you can basically click on add billboard image, and from here you'd add like a banner for your store. And basically that's all. Thank you for watching and see you next time.